Life is dynamic and exciting, but high heat and humidity can become overwhelming and suppress our natural initiative and energy. Where do we turn for reliable cooling? Where is there a company we can trust? Introducing the NewAir AC14100E, one of the most compact and portable air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 24-hour programmable timer and automatic defrost. And it's designed with an auto evaporation feature, allowing it to run overnight without any problems. The ozone-friendly refrigerant contains no chlorine. It comfortably cools a space up to 525 square feet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The 14100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 60 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as dust filters, remote control, and wheels and handles for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window. And for cooling and heating, the AC14100E has a sister unit, the AC14100H. This unit offers everything you need, as it operates as an air conditioner, space heater, dehumidifier, and fan. Both of these units have been rated by consumers as the best AC units on the market for many years. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir. NewAir, a name you can trust.
To use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone, search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
YPL3-10C 10,000-BTU. 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, fan and dehumidifier with remote. Extend that adjustable window kit the length of your window. Trim the window bracket to fit your window snugly. Your specific model may come with screws to keep the window kit in place. Enjoy portable cooling with this 10,000 BTU. Portable air conditioner featuring a dehumidifier that removes 46.5 pints of moisture per day. Next, connect the vent hose to the window kit. With your model properly installed and vented, you can start cooling immediately. Just plug it in and program your settings. Digital Controls offers precise temperature settings, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. A 24-hour on-off timer lets you preset a cooling schedule to save electricity. The 10,000 BTUs cooling power keeps a room up to 300 square feet cool and comfortable, and partially cools an area up to 400 square feet. The 2-speed fan and 4-way air direction help spread cool air evenly throughout your space. Washable and reusable air filter saves money on replacements.